Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video is going to be a tutorial about CapCut. And through this video I would like to show to you the way how to make a rolling end credits on a CapCut. So rolling ends will be placed in the end of the video, and sometimes it will be containing the named that involved into the video making. So the thing that you have to do is just go click this new project and make sure that you put the background. You can choose in the stock videos, because in the stock videos there will be a background collection that provided by the CapCut itself. And then you just need to choose which backgrounds that you want to use for your video. Let's say I would like to have this purple lilac color. Go click add. Then you can also adjusting the ratio of your canvas here. If you want to use this for your phone, you just need to keep this ratio. But then if you want to change it into landscape video, go click into the aspect ratio and you just need to choose this one, and you can adjust in it by pinch with two of your finger until the color is fulfilling all of the screen. And after you're done, go this checklist button, and now you're ready to adding the text by go click this text button and click the add text, entering the text that you want to put into the credit ends. So here I would like to type my channel, which is the Hex, and after that you just need to go click this checklist button, or you can also styling the text first. And after that, make sure that this straight lines is 10 in the beginning of the video, and now you just need to go make this text as disappear in the down part of the clip. And after that, go click this add keyframe, and now you just need to bring the straight lines into the end of the clip and drag the text into the upper side until they are disappear. And here is the result. So that's the way, guys, how to create rolling ends credit on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, and I will see you for the next tutorial.